Good morning, guys. Welcome to JMC Rides. I'm John. Today I'm very excited because we're finally gonna go and drop off the Jeep at Jazz Audio in Selden, New York to do the leather install. We're doing custom leather. It's gonna be custom bright red leather, diamond stitching. It's gonna look sick. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys along with me when I drop off the Jeep. Now, hopefully the Jeep is ready today and I could show it to you today. Without further ado, let's go. This shop has been doing work on my cars literally for over 20 years. I've been going there since I was like a little kid, you know, bringing my cars. My brother, same thing. All right, guys, this is the shop I've been telling you guys about. This is in Selden, New York. Jazz Audio, window tint stereos, leather, I mean, you name it, these guys do it all. And like I told you guys, any work you guys need to have done, just give them a call, ask for Mike, and just let him know John from JMC Rides sent you. Here's the last look on the interior on this Rubicon. Anybody is interested in purchasing all this factory leather, just hit me up on the DMs on Instagram, JMC Rides.official, make me an offer, and the leather will be yours. Not too long ago, you probably remember I reviewed a JL Wrangler. It belongs to JZ Rides on YouTube. You know, I saw the interior on this Wrangler and I was like, damn, you know, like Jeep definitely stepped it up when it comes to the interior on these new Wranglers. You know, for this Jeep, I want the outside of the Jeep to be badass, tough, be able to go and take it to the off-road parks at Rouse Creek in Pennsylvania, and be able to just beat on it from the outside, but then on the inside, which is where I'm gonna be sitting, want more of like a luxurious style type of Jeep. There's no reason why the Jeep can't look all nice and cool on the inside and then be badass on the outside. So that's what I was doing. So now, by me upgrading the leather interior and doing a couple of small little changes on the interior, what I'm basically doing is keeping my Jeep modern, making it, you know, making it look good, making it look better than it actually did from the factory, without having to do something stupid like trading in the vehicle, losing money on modifications, not only losing money on mods, even if I remove the mods, even if I did trade in the vehicle, you know the dealership's just gonna go ahead and give you a real crappy offer on the vehicle, and you'll take a hit on that trade-in also. So instead of just trading it in, we make it better, and we make it way better than what Jeep would have done with the JL Wrangler.
2 moments later.
All right, guys, so the Jeep's been at the shop for a few hours. I know it's not ready yet, but I'm gonna kind of just show up in the middle of the day and see if I can get some pictures or video of how the process is going. And that means we gotta pull out the Hellcat now, so let's go. Alright guys, this is about the only time you'll probably ever see my Jeep looking like this, but all the seats are out, thing is in pieces. Makes me a little nervous seeing it like this, but it's gonna look real nice when it's all done. I expect everything to be ready hopefully by tonight or tomorrow morning, and you guys will be seeing the finished product by tomorrow, Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern, so look out for the video. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the little bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.